So this video is about why you should keep posting even when nobody's watching, man, or even if you're not getting no views. And here's why, because this is very spiritual too with this answer. So why you should always keep posting if you're not getting no views or if nobody's watching is because if you're posting what you love and what you like to do, you don't really care about the views. The views are just gonna come to you because you actually doing what you like to do. Let's say if you're a skater, and you know you're gonna be skating like every day regardless of if you post these videos or not. You posting the videos and it's not getting no views right now. Why would that matter when you gonna skate regardless? It don't matter whether you making the videos or not, you still gonna be skating. So that's where it makes it to the point where you shouldn't care about the views. And it's the second reason why you shouldn't care if you're not getting views. Because in the long run, people gonna start watching your videos. Just because they not watching it right now don't mean it won't start going up in a week or in 2 weeks or in a month. Then that video finally went viral and I have a video that hit 3 million views. Not all the time are they gonna go viral instantly in the same day. I've seen people videos take a month to go viral after they posted it. The whole month it was under like 1,000 and one day just traction, bro, and it just started going crazy. And it just blew up. Like the graph was like, the whole time the graph was low, then it just went skyrocket like that, bro, for real. So that's why you shouldn't care. I could post this video right now and it might not have no views in the first day or the first 2 days or the first 3 days. A week later, now this video just decided to just take off and it just hit the For You page or YouTube pushed it or however it went viral. Just don't care. Just make good quality videos, bro, or do what you love doing. Make them videos, bro, and just push it, bro. Stop caring about if they watching it. Stop caring because it don't matter no more, bro. And if you just doing it for the views, it ain't gonna work long term anyway. And I done learned that the hard way. Just doing stuff for views ain't gonna work long term because you don't really like what you're doing. You eventually gonna get like bored, tired, stressed out. Like you're not gonna want to do it no more because you're just doing it for the views. It's not authentic. It's not fully coming from you. That's just the main part. Like stop doing that. Do what you love to do and make good quality content. Sometimes give the fans what they want too, you know, and give yourself what you want too. You don't always gotta be about what they want. Give yourself what you want. Make videos that you like because people share the same interests as you and they gonna watch it because y'all like the same thing. And now it's lit because y'all share the same interests with your fans. That's even more lit. That's the reason why you should not care if your videos are not getting no views and why you should keep posting, because it don't matter if it's not getting views right now. It can get views later. And those same videos that you were saying like, oh, it's not getting no views, can potentially be viral videos that could potentially make millions of views and it ain't get seen yet. Maybe the thumbnail was bad. Maybe they just need to keep going. Maybe they did something to not get the views clicked on that video. And you need to learn thumbnails too, because thumbnails is another reason and titles is why your video get clicked. Those are very, very important reasons of why you should keep posting, man. And never give up, man. If you want to be a YouTuber, I've been wanting to be a YouTuber my whole life. But I'm a YouTuber now, but I'm not like a lit YouTuber how I wanted to be. But where I am now, the younger me would be like, damn, I'm happy with that too. So that's another reason you should keep posting. If you've always wanted to be a YouTuber, doing YouTube is just something you like to do, and that's something you've always wanted to do. So keep going towards that goal because eventually you're going to hit it, bro. It ain't too late to keep going viral. I've seen people go viral weeks ago, months ago. You can still go viral. There's still a lot of room to go viral on YouTube, and don't let nobody tell you it ain't. And I'm going to show y'all I'm living proof. You feel me? I'm going to be living proof to show y'all that you can still go viral on YouTube. And you don't got to do no crazy Mr. Beast type videos to go viral. You could just be here yapping at a camera, talking to a camera how I am, and your videos could go crazy. Subscribe if you like the video, man. And subscribe to help out the channel, man. We're going to be trying to post every week, every day, however we get it, as long as we stay consistent, man. We out.